to one and all. We are running late as per schedule. Okay? But looking at the excitement to meet each other, this delay is fruitified. I am glad to see all of you here. It has been 21 years since we last met together. This is a very special and meaningful weekend. I know because many who cannot make it are wishing me on phone and on WhatsApp, Facebook. They are doing it every way they can. Among us, we have people like Sachin Bidkar, who has come all the way from USA for this. This shows us the importance of friendship. At this moment, I am feeling like sharing a small poem from our childhood. There are big ships, there are small ships, but there is no ship like friendship. Welcome to the Holy Cross Convent Batch 93 Grand Reunion, everyone. So much has changed. Our looks, Lata.
I have not changed. I am the same.
Looks have changed.
बाकी वो वैसी है.
Our receding hairlines. They are examples. Our waistlines. Kali. Receding waistlines. Shivali, yes. Even our addresses have changed. Good. You are noticing more than me. It was a tough job trying to locate all our classmates. I think those who helped me can testify to this. So Sachin Kator, कितना difficult था? In fact, you can see there are not every one of our class present here. It would indeed be a great pity if somebody missed this wonderful occasion just because the message wasn't there. उनको मैसेज ही नहीं पहुंच पाया अपने पास से. Even I asked you people also to reach them, but you were also not able to reach them. So I hope after this, a few of us would volunteer to take up the role of so-called class representatives, whose job is to collect the context of class. We have already got the context of the people here. We just want to expand and maintain the list for future correspondence, for future get-togethers.
Yes, sir.
After every 6
Remember the people we met, the interesting things they did, and things we did together. I know it's getting long, but maybe you all are feeling a little bit bored. Or maybe not. But I need to thank and mention a number of people who made this occasion possible. Sachin Kator and myself have always remained connected, all the way from childhood to our friendship in class 7th, where we became best friends. We also have Vibhor, Kirti and Abhijit Golkar connected to us. Many classmates crossed paths during the various stages of life. Hi, hello, सबसे हमेशा चलता था. Then came Facebook, which helped me connect with many of our classmates. Still something was missing, the real interaction together. WhatsApp came and it opened path for connecting with friends of friends. An idea of having our batch Holy Cross group on WhatsApp was in my mind since long. Finally, on 10th March 14, I just went ahead and started adding up contacts of friends with me and also asking numbers of friends on Facebook Messenger. Numbers started pouring and friends started connecting. Day by day coming closer. Many numbers came forward from friends I added. Still many were missing. Many lived in isolation. Thanks to Sachin Khator, Prashant Gulwade, Shrikant Goenka, Anand Thakur, Ashish Tale, Atul Dhumne, Pankaj Sharma. Pankaj Sharma, we are missing you. Pankaj Sharma is not present. He'll be coming. Just मिलने आएगा अपने को. Jasdeep Sethi and many localites for wholehearted support in helping us locate many classmates. We even contacted micas of the girls to get their contact details. Parminder, Reena. A long and daily hard work which has brought us together in childhood once again. Our lost friends are found. So many thanks.
म्यूजिक भी बहुत अच्छा है।
So many thanks for all the time to me. That makes my dream of getting us all bonded come true. So many friends to be given credit of this all. Many of you who have helped us out in one way or another. I would like to thank you all.
We thank you.
I would also like to thank Rahul Patil for the Rasmalai treat he has offered tomorrow at the school. So as you have the Rasmalai, please remember Rahul Patil, our Sarpanch Sahib.
Is the Rasmalai sugar free?
Yeah, that should be sugar free.
Rasmalai should be with sugar because it has to be sweet.
Some people are sugar free.
Okay.
तो शुगर वाली भी बट राहुल पाटिल का
आएगा राहुल पाटिल भी आएगा रसमलाई भी आएगी Friends, I just want you to remember this is not my program, this is our program. So try to enjoy each and every moment of this gathering with all your enthusiasm and excitement.
We are doing that, don't worry.
Please don't have any regrets in your mind. एक बहुत प्यारा शेर मेरे को आज सुबह व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर किया था प्रशांत गुलवाड़े का. आई जस्ट रेड आज सुबह मैंने वो पढ़ा और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर इट. किस हद तक जाना है ये कौन जानता है, किस हद तक जाना है ये कौन जानता है, किस मंजिल को पाना है ये कौन जानता है. दोस्ती के दो पल जी भर के जी लो, किस रोज बिछड़ जाना है ये कौन जानता है. Before starting the introduction, we would like a minute of silence for Sajid Sheikh, our beloved classmate, who is no more with us because of an accident he met in 2008. Even Suhas Shinde, he is also no more. This year he met with an accident. He is also no more with us. Our prayers are with their families. To call upon Archana Wankade for the morning prayer we used to recite in school. सिर्फ प्रेयर के लिए उठना पड़ेगा.
So what would you prefer, saying a prayer by sitting or
Standing prayer.
Yeah, please join your hands. Be in a prayerful mode. Yeah, close your eyes. Be in a prayerful mode. And please repeat the prayer after me. O great God, of this big world, we stand in your presence, and offer you this day, all our thoughts, words, and deeds. Grant us that we may seek truth always, and make us truly wise. Thank you, O dear God. Sit down.
जब मैं अभी प्रेयर कर रही थी ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं स्कूल में खड़े होके प्रेयर कर रही हूँ. Seriously, it reminds me my old days of my school memories. After, I should thank Archana for this.
Yeah, please stand for the national anthem. Yeah, stand. Please stand. Yeah. Paramjit Gandhi.
Present teacher.
Don't call me teacher, yaar. I'm your colleague. I'm a teacher at school. Present, I'm your colleague. Say yes. You can call me the monitors. Okay. Paramjit Gandhi. Yes. Parminder Chaneja.
Yeah, present.
Pooja Rathi. Absent. Sonia Mali. रीना बहल, सविता मलखार, पल्लवी जिराफे, अर्चना वानखड़े प्रेजेंट, सोनल गवई, स्मिता शेवाळे, अच्छा yeah. Sorry, the number is reduced to half. You can take your time. Sujata Sato, Shivani Rao, Leena Shirsat, Priya Patel, Radhika Sangani, Swati Ladha. All girls are present. How many are absent? Did you take a note? Everyone. Okay. Boys. Newcomers to the school. We welcome them. Stand up whose names are not called. I think it is Asavari. Please stand. Give her a big applause. Yeah. Is any name missing from girls?
Nobody's got
They are girls.